Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, solid-state drive, and fans. Removal. Remove the Mylar shielding from the heatsink and system board. Disconnect the following cables from the system board: webcam cable, right rear speaker cable, right front speaker cable, fingerprint reader board ribbon cable, volume button board ribbon cable, keyboard backlight ribbon cable, keyboard ribbon cable, touchpad board ribbon cable, card reader board ribbon cable, left front speaker cable, audio board cable, left rear speaker cable, display panel cable, power connector cable. Remove the 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the system board to the top cover. Remove the two 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the system board to the top cover. Carefully lift the front edge of the system board off of the alignment pins and slide it out from underneath the lip of the top cover. Remove the system board. Reverse this procedure to install the system board. Important: after system board replacement, be sure to complete post-installation tasks as required that may include verifying functionality of the notebook, updating the BIOS, updating DMI and other settings,